Let's make it straight. We all know about E4K Plus action camera. But if you don't, let's do a quick review. What's up guys, welcome to another episode, and to all newcomers, welcome to my channel. Usually I upload on Wednesdays, but today is what day? Thursday? Friday? Whatever. My name is Denis, and today we will go through review about E4K Plus action camera. So this little camera is not expensive. It offers 4K in 60 frames per second, and I just like it. Now first, let's see what's in the box. We have camera, waterproof case, charging cable, and at the end USB-C to mini jack converter for external microphone. Then let's see the specifications. Sensor is made by Sony with 12 megapixels. Lens with f2.8 and 155 degrees of view field. Battery can hold up to 90 minutes of recording, and USB input for charging, file transfer, and for external microphone. And there is one and only physical button for powering on and starting or stop with recording. I will not go through menu and those stuff because there are so many videos about that on YouTube. What I want to know is, at first, how it performs at 4K at 60 frames per second, and a second, how it performs at Full HD at 120 frames per second. I'm gonna show you unedited and edited footage in both resolutions and frames. In 3, 2, 1, go! Amazing. Welcome back. One thing worth to mention is that camera lost its Wi-Fi connection underwater, but it comes back immediately after you're getting it out. This is common, I'm not gonna say issue, with every underwater camera that I tested over the years. Now let's see if internal microphone is good or is bad. So this is the test with the case on, and it's pretty bad light, as you can see, because right now it's nearly 8 p.m. Now let's see how the microphone sounds without case and with I'm gonna turn on night mode for better lighting. So this is how it looks like at 8 p.m. in total almost darkness, I could say. Without the case, here is the case, that's it.
Peace.
What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. G4K Plus includes electric image stabilization on any resolution except on 4K at 60 frames per second and on the lower resolutions with higher frames per second. For example, as you could see on 1080 at 120 frames per second, there was no stabilization. What I also like is the Yi Action Camera app. You simply connect your camera with your phone over the Wi-Fi and you can control it completely from there. You can also control your Yi Action Camera with voice commands for everything except for turning it on when it's off. So $300, does it worth it? Yes. Is there any better action camera for that money? I will tell you in a week or two when I'm gonna test another action camera with nearly same specifications. And it's also a little bit cheaper. So if you're not yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed in this video, don't forget to press on the like button down below. And until the next time, stay in love. Peace!